This is Lion's Paw. She's a 35-foot Allied Seabreeze, and for the last 10 years she's taken us on some incredible adventures. Recently, however, we've been thinking of starting a family and becoming landlubbers for a while, so we are ready to pass her on to new owners. We searched long and hard for a boat that would meet our needs and our budget. We wanted a classic blue water yacht that could cross oceans, as well as safely explore the shallow bays and estuaries of our local waters. We love the backcountry, and we worked hard to make it so we could comfortably stay away from civilization for as long as we wanted. This included an extensive refit to become energy independent, including a 500-watt solar array, beefed-up battery bank, and intelligent super silent wind generator. We also made extensive upgrades for living aboard. And as an artist, I couldn't resist making a few custom additions. The Seabreeze was built by the Allied Boat Company. Famous for their build quality, the company built the first fiberglass yacht ever to circumnavigate. The Seabreeze in particular was based off of the famous centerboard racer Finistra. As with Finistra, the Seabreeze has a full keel with an integrated solid bronze centerboard. With the board up, she draws only 3.5 feet, which opens up massive tracts of cruising ground not accessible to deep draft vessels. With her board down, she drafts 7 feet, allowing her to point higher and have greater stability offshore. Her full keel also provides protection to the rudder and helps prevent entanglement of the propeller. After years of active cruising, she comes fully stocked with all the gear, hardware, charts, and of course essential toys needed for heading off to the islands tomorrow. Have you ever dreamt of trolling the Gulf Stream for the pelagic giants the way Hemingway used to? Included are 2 beautiful 9.0 Penn Senators. Armed with an array of tried and tested lures, you should be ready to bring in some serious fish. What about scuba diving, cleaning the bottom, or searching for giant lobsters? She comes with everything you need. How about a classic dinghy with an excellent Suzuki outboard? Maybe throw in a paddleboard just for fun. As for fresh water, she comes with enlarged tankage, a 12-volt Katadyn water maker with 2 backup units, plus a hot water interior shower. In the galley, there's a 2-burner propane stove, microwave, new cabinetry, porcelain tile countertops, a modern fridge freezer, and a high-efficiency chest freezer in the lazarette. For propulsion, she's been repowered with a reliable and efficient 20-horsepower Yanmar diesel connected to a 30-gallon Monel fuel tank. Her sails are in excellent condition, and the standing rigging, chain plates, and steering cables were all replaced in 2019. For hot days at the dock, an LG 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner will keep things comfortable. And as a final bonus, if you are new to cruising or would like a bit of a refresher, I'm offering 1 week of free cruising lessons. As a U.S. Sailing certified instructor and former director of the Middle Keys Sailing Program, I bring 20 years of sailing experience to the table. I'll teach you the boat, as well as voyage planning, safe anchoring, basic engine maintenance, electrical repair, and even how to catch dinner. She's been part of the family and an incredible adventure. Now she deserves an owner who will cherish her as much as we have.